This is the final look of our minimalist dark mode dashboard. It has a clean layout with glowing border effects and smooth animations. Every card is designed to make the interface look modern and premium. The soft neon glow gives the dashboard a unique style without making it too bright. Everything you see here is built using only HTML and CSS. Let's see how we can create this dashboard step by step. Let's start by creating a new project folder called Ultra Neon Dark Dashboard. Now create two files. The first one is index.html for the HTML structure. The second one is style.css for the styling. Now we are ready to start building the dashboard. Let's start with the basic HTML setup. Add the HTML5 template and the required meta tags. Next, set the page title to Ultra Neon Dark Dashboard. Then link the style.css file. The basic structure is now complete, and we are ready to build the dashboard. Now open the project using Live Server. This will show the web page in your browser. We are now ready to start building the dashboard. Now let's add Font Awesome. It gives us access to many useful icons. We will use these icons in our dashboard later. Now let's create the header section. Add the dashboard title and a short description. This gives our interface a clean and professional look. Now add the main section. This is where all the dashboard cards will be placed. Now let's create our first dashboard card. Add a glow card container and place the content inside it. Next, add the Font Awesome icon and the card title. Then display the system throughput value. Finally, add a small footer to show the current status. Our first dashboard card is now complete. Now let's create the second dashboard card. Start with a new glow card container. Add the content section with a Font Awesome icon and the card title. Next, display the active node core value. Finally, add the status text to show the current sync process. Our second dashboard card is now ready. Now let's add a larger dashboard card. This card will display the neural network latency. Start by creating the card container and the content section. Next, add the icon, title, and the latency value. Finally, add a footer to show the global average. This larger card helps highlight important information. Now let's add the last two dashboard cards. The first card shows the memory allocation with its current status. Next, create the security protocol card. Add the icon, title, value, and the firewall status. These cards complete our dashboard layout. Now the interface looks clean, modern, and fully organized. You can customize the content and colors to match your own project. Now, let's move to the CSS file. First, let's define our CSS variables. Here we set the background, card colors, neon colors, and text colors. This makes the design easy to manage. Now add the CSS reset. It removes the default margin and padding. We also set the box sizing for better layouts. Now let's style the body, set the background color, font, and text color. Then add the minimum height and some padding. This creates the base layout for our dashboard. Now let's style the header. Set a maximum width and center it on the page. Add some spacing below the header. Finally, create a neon left border for a modern look. Now style the main heading. Increase the font size and make it bold. Add some letter spacing and use uppercase text. This gives the title a strong look. Now create the dashboard grid. Use CSS Grid to build a responsive layout. Add some space between the cards. Finally, center the grid on the page. Now make the large card span 2 columns. Then add a media query for smaller screens. This keeps the dashboard responsive on every device. Now let's style the dashboard card. Set the card position and add a dark background. Apply a blur effect to create a glass look. Then add padding, rounded corners, and a minimum height. Use Flexbox to organize the content. Finally, add a smooth transition for hover animations. Now add a hover effect to the card. When you move the mouse over it, the card moves slightly upward. This makes the dashboard feel more smooth and interactive. Now create the before pseudo element. Position it behind the card and make it larger than the container. Then add a spinning animation. This will create the glowing border effect. Now add the glowing border colors. Use the cyan theme for one set of cards and the pink theme for the other. Apply a conic gradient to each one. This creates a smooth rotating neon glow around the cards. Now add the after pseudo element. Place it inside the card and give it the same background color. This keeps the glowing border visible around the edges. Finally, create the spin animation. It rotates the glow smoothly and gives the dashboard a modern animated look. Now style the card content. Use Flexbox to arrange everything inside the card. Keep the content properly aligned from top to bottom. Next, style the card label. Make the text uppercase, smaller, and add letter spacing. This gives the dashboard a clean and professional look. Now style the card value. Increase the font size and make it bold. Add some spacing and use a monospace font. Next, apply a glowing text shadow. Use cyan for the blue cards and pink for the pink cards. This makes the values stand out beautifully. Now style the card footer. Set the font size and make the text slightly bold. Use Flexbox to align the icon and the text. Add a small gap between them. Finally, apply the cyan and pink colors to match each card theme. And here's the final result. Our ultra neon dark dashboard is now complete. We created a clean layout with animated glowing borders and smooth effects. Everything was built using only HTML and CSS. Feel free to customize the colors and content for your own project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.